Hi everyone, today I want to show you how to do a Christmas tree with pine cones. So you need a piece of paper or some carton if you have. I don't have it, so I put it on a half and we're gonna roll it like this. Now I will help myself with sellotape like this, and then you put here the sellotape. Now we're gonna cut it that it's gonna be like this, and now I'll check my glue if it's already hot, and we're gonna just glue everything on the Christmas tree. So like this, I need some more. So I already put the glue here, and you just put it like this. Now we're gonna put all of these red balls on it. I put all of this down because I think I'm gonna glue it easier just like this, and this one I will use for something else. So I'm gonna put one here. On top I'm gonna glue this red star. And all around I'm putting these gold guirlandas. And we have a nice Christmas tree. You can improvise everything. Voila! I love it. Ciao, have a nice December.